Are you running a small business or side hustle and feel like you're doing everything yourself? What if I told you there's an AI tool that can take a ton of that workload off your shoulders and do it faster, smarter, and for less than the cost of your daily coffee? Today, I'm breaking down Abacus.AI, what it is, why it matters for small businesses like yours, and how it can help you scale faster without the tech overwhelm. Stick around until the end because I'll also show you how you can try it out using my link and unlock the exact features that can take your business to the next level. Today, I'm going to show you how Abacus.AI can help any business, whether you're running an online store, a SaaS startup, or a big enterprise, scale faster, cut costs, and increase profits using AI agents and automation. Stick around because this platform could literally change the way you run your business. So let's start simple. Abacus.AI is a no code AI platform designed to handle the heavy lifting for your business. It's like having your own AI team that can build chat agents for customer support, automate sales forecasting, create personalized product recommendations, and even detect fraud or anomalies in your data. The best part? You don't need to be a data scientist or an engineer to use it. Abacus.ai takes care of the back end stuff like data prep, training models, and deployment, while you just plug it into your business. Now, you might be wondering, why should I even care about Abacus AI if I already have tools like ChatGPT or Canva helping me with my business? That's a great question. Let me break it down. Running a small business or side hustle means wearing a lot of hats. You're the salesperson, the marketer, the customer service rep, the accountant, sometimes even the tech team. And here's the problem: you only have 24 hours in a day. That's why so many small business owners end up burnt out, working crazy hours, and still feel like they're not growing. Abacus.ai changes the game because it's like adding a virtual team of experts to your business for just a few bucks a month. Think about it. If you run an Etsy shop, Abacus.ai can predict which products are going to be trending so you don't waste time or materials making things that won't sell. If you're an online coach or consultant, it can analyze your leads, tell you which clients are most likely to buy, and even personalize your follow up emails so they sound human without you having to lift a finger. If you're a freelancer, whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or web developer, Abacus AI can automate routine client communication. Instead of answering the same 20 questions over and over, you can set up an AI agent that handles FAQs and booking calls while you focus on your actual work. And let's talk about cost for a second. Most AI tools, if you try to piece them together, are either $20 to $50 a month each, or require expensive integrations, or force you to hire someone tech savvy to set it all up. With Abacus.ai, you'll be paying much less and getting access to multiple advanced models like GPT-5, Claude, Grok 4, and Gemini. That's like paying for one Spotify subscription, but getting a whole band of A-list musicians to play at your party. Bottom line, if you've been struggling to grow your side hustle because you're stretched too thin, this tool could literally free up hours of your week and give you insights that help you make smarter business decisions. All right, so let's dig into the features that make Abacus AI more than just another AI app. These are the things that actually move the needle for small businesses. 1. Real time automation. Most AI tools are static. You set them up once and they only work with the data you give them. Abacus.ai is dynamic. It retrains models automatically based on your latest data. Example: let's say you sell coffee beans online. If a new roast suddenly starts trending, Abacus.ai updates your demand forecast in real time so you don't run out of stock. That's the kind of agility that keeps you one step ahead of competitors. 2. Personalized recommendations. You know how Amazon suggests customers also bought? That's personalization powered by AI. Abacus.ai gives you the same tech without needing a huge development team. So, whether you're selling products on Shopify, Etsy, or your own site, you can show customers exactly what they want to see, increasing your average order size and repeat sales. 3. AI powered customer agents. Tired of answering DMs at midnight? Abacus.ai lets you build AI chat agents that feel natural, not robotic. You can train them with your own business FAQs, tone, and style. So if you're a fitness coach, Your AI agent can answer client questions about workouts and pricing instantly while you're asleep. 4. Pre-built templates and custom models. This one's huge. Not everyone wants to start from scratch with AI. Abacus.AI gives you ready-to-use templates for things like churn prediction, figure out which customers are about to leave so you can win them back, fraud detection, spot sketchy payments before they become a problem, forecasting, know what sales will look like next quarter, and more. You can literally just plug in your data and go. 5. One platform, all the tools. Here's something small business owners love. Instead of juggling 5 different subscriptions, Abacus AI rolls everything into one. That's less money spent, fewer logins to manage, and one dashboard where you can see your entire business performance powered by AI. So if you've ever thought, I wish I had a personal assistant who could handle analytics, customer service, and sales forecasting, well, this is it. Now, let me be real with you. While the price per month per user is affordable, the price can add up if you're running a larger team. So I always recommend start small, test it for yourself, and scale up if it delivers value. And by the way, if you want to try it out, I'll leave my affiliate link down in the description below. Using that link helps support this channel, and it gives you access to the same features I've been talking about. Let me paint a quick picture. Say you're selling handmade candles online. Normally, you'd have to guess how much stock to make, which scents are trending, and spend hours responding to customer messages. With Abacus AI, the AI predicts which scents will sell best next month. It auto updates your inventory forecasting, and your AI chat agent answers FAQs while you sleep. That means more sales, less wasted inventory, and more time for you to actually focus on the creative side of your hustle. So here's the bottom line. Abacus.AI puts advanced AI in the hands of small businesses and hustlers without the crazy price tag or complexity. If you're ready to try it for yourself, just click the link in the description below. That's my affiliate link, which supports the channel, and it's the easiest way to start experimenting with AI tools that can actually move the needle in your business. Don't let AI pass you by. This is the edge that can make this year your breakthrough year. If this video gave you some ideas, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI business tools, and let me know in the comments if you want me to do a full step-by-step Abacus.AI tutorial where I actually show you how to set it up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.